welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name's Ardil and today's video is all about this, a Toyota Invincible X. One thing our client was after was having the mirrors, as they are now, folding in, and that's exactly what we've installed. It's a little kit that basically goes into the vehicle. It's all done in our workshop facilities here in Cambridge, and literally as easy as this. From the factory key, I press unlock and it opens up, and as soon as I press lock, away they go, they close up, making everything a lot nicer when it's parked up, so these aren't getting damaged by people nudging them or cars going past. Obviously, a very large vehicle, it's really important that these sorts of things get added on. So this is a really cool little upgrade. So if you're interested in having something like this fitted onto your Toyota Invincible X or your Nissan Navara, whatever pickup you've got, let us know. Drop us a comment in the comment section below, or all of our contact details are also in the description as well. So get in contact with us, come by, see us, call us, whatever you need to do, and we'll get this solution added in for you. It's a really nice, low-cost solution to upgrade your car and make everything a lot nicer when you are parking a vehicle this sort of size. So thank you again so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.